Good morning traders, this is James. Welcome to this update. I hope you're fine. This is April the 9th. We went into the fear box in the CNN Fear and Greed Index from the extreme fear one, and we're going up in this blue curve to the upside. Maybe we're going to have a V-bottom in the indices. We had a very nice hidden bullish divergence in this indicator. I like it. It can be very useful and it's free for you guys. We're going to analyze the S&P 500 today, and the S&P 500 pumped from this geometric support that was a resistance in the past with the news about Trump ending the war in Iran. We broke the opposing golden zone on the daily chart. Here it is. We hit the opposing 707 resistance. But it's okay, we broke the key resistance. This means that algos that are shorting the market have probably been stopped out. Not all of them, but it's already a good signal. And we're going to analyze this little uptrend here in the S&P 500. And we're going to propose a setup to long the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq or other indices. Here we have this little uptrend. Okay. So first of all, we traded a measured move to the upside. We saw it yesterday. 50% retracement, profit target hit, we go up. So let's put this one in colored one. Okay. We traded another measured move to the upside, a bullish measured move. This one, we're going to put it in blue. We hit also the halfway back and went up. And we broke the profit targets here. What is going to happen here? Maybe that's the setup that we're going to play. This is maybe what's going to go on in the indices. So let me check. Okay. Let's be the most accurate possible. You at home, you're going to put the perfect values here to be accurate. What could go on here in the indices is a tiny little correction that could reach these values. We could reach these supports comprised between $6,740 and $6,700 approximately. We could go down here and dive into this green box and go back above and reach 6,862 points in the S&P 500. This is the setup that I'm suggesting today, guys. We could do something like this. Also, note that you can easily see that we could be within an impulse using the Elliott Wave principle with a wave 3 going on right now. And we could have something like this. We could be trading actually the subwave 4 of wave 3. So this is the setup that I'm suggesting for you guys today in the S&P 500, but you can replicate this in the Nasdaq, for example. And let's see if it works. And we have nothing to do below this golden zone. So the stop loss, you can position it whatever you want, but it should be below the golden zone, below 6,688 points in the S&P 500. So let's see if it works out. And we will see that on Tuesday. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and please follow me. Bye-bye.